Well, hi there, everybody, and good Tuesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski here. A cold front, as of this time when I'm speaking, just after 7 o'clock, is passing through the Tri-Cities. It is from around Chadron to between the Tri-Cities to near Beatrice. And the winds are turning back more out of the north behind that front. Colder air is diving southward. We've seen a few clouds moving in with that front, and even a little bit of very light snow or flurry activity pushing through as well. That should clear out of here this afternoon. The temperatures will not warm up much today unless you're way out west, and we'll try to get a little more sunshine later this afternoon. Well, as we head into tonight, then, the clouds will stay clear for a little while, and then they'll fill back in towards tomorrow morning. We'll see the coldest air of the week coming in tonight and tomorrow morning. But as those clouds thicken up, the temperatures will probably level off and even maybe climb a little bit later in the night. We'll see a large range in temperatures. And then how about a little more snow tomorrow morning? Maybe a quick hit of snow out there, some light accumulations tomorrow morning before clearing out in the afternoon, but the clouds will be around tomorrow, meaning it's going to be a cold day, although once again out west, not quite so bad, but there will be a large range in temperatures for the day tomorrow. So let's look at your future temperatures first off. And again, temperatures, we call this a large temperature gradient, which basically means we could range from near zero in extreme northeast Nebraska to the mid-30s in the southwest. Tri-Cities area trying to get back to the lower 20s today. And then tonight, again, that colder air moving southward, we'll see a large range in temps again. I think we could see as cold as the teens below in the northeast to as warm as about 10 for a low in the southwest. Here in the Tri-Cities, and because there's such a tight temperature gradient, it's going to be tough to get that exact temperature, but probably between about 5 below and 5 above. More like 2 below and 5 above, I think. So we're going to get cold, but it's going to be a much colder to our northeast. And then tomorrow's temperatures, highs ranging from the single digits to the northeast and east to as warm as near 40 out west in Imperial and Ogallala. Upper teens to near 20 in the Tri-Cities area. Now, how about the wind chills, though, tonight? And the coldest wind chills will likely come middle of the night through about 10 a.m. That's when the winds will still be a little breezy and we'll see some very cold temperatures. Probably between about 10 and 20 below here in the Tri-Cities area, but to our northeast, 20 to 35, maybe almost as 40 below up there. Nasty, cold. And that's why they have wind chill warnings in the northeast part of the state, basically from Kippaw and Boyd County, southeast to the Omaha area. It does not include Lincoln. It includes Columbus, Norfolk, O'Neill, Albion, those locations. Wind chills as cold as 20 to 40 below through tonight and tomorrow morning, going through noon tomorrow. And then wind chill advisories in that lighter blue shade color there from 6 p.m. or 9 p.m. until noon tomorrow, where the wind chills won't be quite as bad, 15 to 30 below in those locations. And I'm thinking, again, Grand Island right on the edge of that, Beatrice, Broken Bow, not quite as bad, but it will be much worse to our northeast. In fact, let's look to our northeast. These are your future temperatures, and these are actual air temperatures, not the wind chill over the next couple of days here. Some places in the 30s to near 40 below. That's the actual air temperature. I can't imagine what it's like to be out in that. So again, we're just getting this glancing below. This gives you an idea that we're getting lucky with this thing because the worst is staying to our northeast. How about the wind chills? Look, I have not seen numbers like this before, unless you look up to Canada. Some places in the 50s to near 60 below zero for wind chills. Cedar Rapids. So again, we're on the edge of it. It's not going to be so bad here. And it's all because we've been in this battle of air masses between the cold to our northeast and the warmth to our southwest. And that warmth is just trying to nudge in just enough to keep those just tundra cold temperatures out of our area, unless you live up around Norfolk or somewhere like that. But yeah, just incredible. And again, you see Cedar Rapids there in Minneapolis, but if you look just to the west at the colors that are just west of there, some of those colors indicate temperatures or wind chills that could be down around 60 below. So again, it's not so bad here. Well, 3-day forecast. Here it is. Again, the cold coming, chances of snow the next couple of days. Tomorrow maybe a little better, chance of some light accumulation with that snow. Winds breezy today, not so bad the next couple of days. Notice Wednesday night, we don't fall off too much from our high to our low. Early Thursday morning, and in fact I would not be surprised if we see the temperature climb after midnight Wednesday night into Thursday morning. Thursday a high 37. That is our average high temperature for this time of the year. There's actually going to be a very large range in temperatures. In fact, real quick here, I'll show you a forecast model output of what the forecast is looking like for Thursday. A large range in temperatures once again. 20s in the east, 50s out west. We'll be in the mid to upper 30s to near 40 here in the Tri-Cities area. So again, we're seeing a nice little climb in temperatures as we go into Thursday. But then how about the rest of that forecast here? And we'll take you out here to the end of the week where I'm going to go 50 in the Tri-Cities on Friday. We could see a large range where it's in the 30s and 40s in the east, but we could be well into the 50s out west, maybe pushing 60 in southwest Nebraska. Lots of sun. Looks like a good Friday. Saturday, not too bad. A little bit more cloud cover out there, a little breezier, but low to mid 50s for the Tri-Cities for Groundhog Day, shaping up to be pretty good. More question marks into Sunday and Monday. One, that chance of precipitation. How aggressive will it be? One model barely gives us anything. Another one gives us a decent amount of rain that could change over to snow sometime late Sunday or Sunday night. So kind of just going with a 30% chance right now for Sunday and Sunday night. And then Monday right now is basically like throwing a dart at a dartboard. I've got forecast models that I've seen ranging from as cold as 20 for a high on Monday to as warm as 60 for a high on Monday. I'm going middle ground, kind of 34. Just kind of have to wait, basically. Forecast models will give us a better idea as we get closer. They're not very good when you're talking long range sometimes, especially when you get storm systems in the area. So, again, you almost want to just ignore that part of the forecast and just look out 5 days. In fact, look out 5 days. That's when it gets better anyway. We don't want to look to the Sunday, Monday forecast. So the first 2 days of February certainly shaping up to be much nicer than the middle of this week, although, again, while it's cold here, it's a whole different ballgame to our northeast. So that's why I will stress, be thankful we are not getting the cold that they're getting in places like Minneapolis and Fargo and Madison, Wisconsin, Cedar Rapids, Iowa, Chicago, Illinois. All those locations are dangerously cold, and it's going to spread eastward. Cleveland, South Bend, Indiana, Buffalo, New York, they're all going to get in on this just nasty cold that we won't have to see quite so much of here in Nebraska and northern Kansas. So with that, I'll let you all go. Hope you all have a wonderful day here. Stay warm out there. It's not going to be warm today, but like I said, not so bad considering what it's going to be like farther to our northeast. Have a good one. We'll see you all again bright and early on Wednesday morning. Take care and God bless. Bye.